Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preventing further damage. Stop using the phone or PC now so deleted sectors aren't overwritten. Make sure the device is charged above 50% and connect it via reliable USB. A dying battery interrupts recovery. On your computer, install a reputable recovery tool and prepare an external drive with enough free space. You do this because intact deleted files live in unallocated space. Once overwritten, they are gone, so prioritize connection stability and sufficient storage before. Once ready, create a forensic image of the device if the tool supports it. Imaging protects the original drive. Then run a deep scan or full sector scan. Yes, it's slower, but that's how you locate fragmented and partially deleted files. Make sure you save recovered files to the external drive, not the source device. While scanning, use filters for file types, dates, and sizes to reduce noise and speed previews. This approach preserves integrity and increases your chance of recovering meaningful data. You finish by verifying each recovered file, open documents, play media, and check timestamps to confirm integrity. If recovery quality is poor, don't keep poking the device. Try a different reputable tool or contact a professional recovery lab that works from cloned images. Make and keep a cloned image and a short log of the steps you ran. This protects evidence and helps professionals if you escalate. One troubleshooting tip: if scans fail repeatedly, the drive may be physically damaged. Stop and consult experts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.